Hello everyone. I am still in North Carolina, but I made this beautiful book for my Mama Christine, and I wanted to do a flip through because I'm leaving the book here and I'm going home tomorrow. So I'm not sure if I'll get this video uploaded before I get home or not, but I did want to record it here so I can make it be live. This is such a fun, beautiful fairy book. I did put together a very similar one in the White Rose Crafts group, and this one I made for her. And these, some of these little dangles, not that one, but some of them were made by Craft With Me Sharon B on Facebook, these little ones. So they were fun. They were gifted to Mama Christine, and it was fun to include them here. I love this one with the flowers and some beads, and then there's little angels. This is a 4 signature 3-hole pamphlet stitch book, and it does have a raffia closure. I didn't tie it all the way so I'd be able to open it. Let's see. It does need to get trained a little bit how to close. It's starting to gator. But there is our beautiful fairy. I love this glitter here. So pretty. This is actually rice paper, and I think it's by CHOWBella. There we go, CHOWBella. And then inside, we've got some beautiful Prima flowers, lots of lace. This is a die cut that makes a window. The fairies, most of the fairies in here are by Peon Designs, and they make beautiful paper. They're from Sweden. And this paper is from Prima. This is their nature garden. We've got the cute little charms here. And try not to make you guys sick. I don't have my phone holder, so we're doing the best we can. We got some glitter on this die cut, and this is handmade paper that Mama Christine had, so I incorporated that. The color on this one was weathered wood. This is distress ink. All around this is Four Seasons of Fairies, so this will be the winter season. That's why it has 4 signatures, so it goes through each season of the year, and she's going to put some lovely photos in here of her family and the things that she did. So the first signature will have photos from January, February, and March, the winter season. I love this. This is again by Peon Designs, and there's stickles and Nouveau drops on here. That's just a cute little flip. Over here we have a beautiful die cut, some burlap. This is one of the fairies from the Peon Designs paper, and of course it's been Nouveau, so it's wonderful. She had some cute little fairy stamps, so we cut some little, we used our little scraps here, and that says sparkle, and it, of course, things with wings have to sparkle. This is just a little journaling card or a place she can put some extra photos. Then this is so cute. This is a little envelope, and there is a little butterfly in there, and a fun little Prima enamel dot on there. Then we have a cute little paper clip up here. I love that. And then this is like a folio flip. It folds out. And this is open here. There's a little tuck spot for some fun little things. There's a little note card, and we use those cute little fairies. Those were some stamps that she had. She had fairy stamps, so we thought we would use them on our scraps. So this folds in, and then this one here has a little tab with an eyelet. And this is again Peon Designs paper. I made it into a pocket up here so you can pull this out. Beautiful trim. I think this came from White Rose Crafts. Not sure where she acquired it, but White Rose Crafts unfortunately has closed. This is Prima paper, and of course all the little things with wings have to sparkle. A belly band here. These are Peon Designs, and they're so beautiful with Nouveau drops. I absolutely love that. This says, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale, and the little fairy part has some sparkle. I don't know if we can see it. There it is. And a beautiful die cut with some, this was the leftover handmade paper from making the page, so I thought we would use it all so we don't waste any. This is just craft paper. This is where she's going to put some journaling and some photos. More of that Prima paper, and a lovely holographic sticker. I love how that's coming up on camera. I hope you guys can see that. Here I just made a little punch out and put the fairy sticker in there. I thought it was so cute. And then the back here, this is the cover of the next signature. On these, she's got some die cuts. She's going to put the seasons on here. So this one will say spring. And again, we have the fairy in the window. So cute. Beautiful Prima flowers and enamel dots and distress spray. This one, I think the color was pine needles that I used to ink around the edges. And again, this is Prima Nature Garden paper. Over here, it was in a 6x6 stack. More of that handmade paper, and I did spray some Seedless Preserves Distress Oxide ink on there. This is a little tuck spot. And I love this. This is by Prima. This is a die cut. This is a die cut. And then this is also by Prima. I love this little butterfly. Little note card in here, or journaling card. She can ink that if she wants to journal on it or put some photos, all of the things. And then we have that cute little envelope again with the butterfly in there. Butterfly clip up here. This folds open. All of the signatures are very, very similar in design, which makes the book just so cohesive, and it was so wonderful to make. I made this all in like 2 days. I wanted to make sure it was done before I left here. I'm here visiting, so little belly band, that handmade paper, die cut butterfly, more spray, more trim. This one's Pion Designs. P-I-O-N is Pion, and they're from Sweden. There's more of the craft paper, so she can put journaling or her photos or whatever she wants to put in there. And that's the back. This is that Pion paper with some little fairies. So this one is summer, and it will eventually say summer here. And of course, we have the cute little fairy charms up here as well. So there's eyelets and charms, Prima flowers, enamel dots, die cuts, all the things. This one's Prima paper. This is that handmade paper, and this color is Worn Lipstick from Distress Oxide ink. A little glittered die cut butterfly. This is a tuck spot. This is Pion paper. Pion paper here. Again, they all have Nuvo on them, and it looks so cute. And of course, the wings are stickled, so they do sparkle. That one says, all you need is faith, trust, and a little pixie dust. And then this beautiful thing here, this is glitter paper, a die cut with glitter paper, Prima flower. And a little pocket here with the butterfly. That's a little envelope. There's the paper clip. See the repetition here in each of the signatures. There is a little card. It has a tag, and then on the back it has that little stamped fairy with glittered wings. Mama Christine might color those in with some pencils or something. Belly band. Let's see what this one is. This is beautiful. Little fairy. Sprinkle your fairy dust wherever you go. A little pocket in there. This one is a Prima paper with a little pocket at the top, so it has a little tag in there. She can put an eyelet or some lace trim or something in there. And oops, skipped a page. There's the tabbed page with an eyelet. Some more spray. This, I think, was Kitsch Flamingo spray. It's so pretty. I love it. Distress Oxide ink spray. Little trim. And this is kind of a wired trim. Super fun. You can get something similar at Hobby Lobby or online. There is the last page of that signature. Now we move into fall or autumn. And I absolutely love this piece here. I just put one of those leaves, and that's a Prima leaf. And then this gold trim again, and then some enamel dots. And of course, there is a window. The windows all have acetate, and there's a fairy back there. You can see the one for fall. It looks like she's taming a grasshopper or something. Super fun. Of course, the fairies were Nuvoed and stickled with glitter. This paper is Prima. This is that handmade paper. This color is fossilized amber, Distress Oxide ink. And these are Prima flowers. I absolutely love them. Little note card again that comes out. There is the little envelope with the little butterfly in there. Little paper clip, folds open. Here is our note card. It's actually a little pocket. I didn't put something in there. And there is our little fairy. Let's get her out of the shadows. There she is. And she's got glittered wings and can be colored. She just tucks away right there. On this one, now this was the backing of the leaves that I got from the Prima package, but it's like a little, almost like a vellum, and it says grateful, something. It has some kind of a poem on there. I don't know, but I just thought it looked great. Tucked right back here. So again, that's what a junk journal is, something that might otherwise be thrown away. And this book was actually made, the base of this book was made from a medicine box. So it truly is a junk journal, things that would be thrown away. This is scrapbook paper. It's by Peon Designs. So, I mean, there is some scrapbook paper incorporated, but definitely still qualifies to be a junk journal. Sprinkle your fairy dust wherever you go. Handmade paper as the belly band. More spray, and those are those Prima leaves. They're kind of like vellum almost. They glue down really nicely. And this one is a pocket on the side, so this just pulls out. I love the shape of that one, just some fun die cuts. And this is craft paper for her to journal or put photos, and it's all been inked. There's that little peekaboo fairy holographic sticker. I love that. The last page of the signature. There's room here for her to put some lace trim on these. I think it might look really nice if she does that. And this flower back here. Now I noticed as I was going through, I didn't close any of these. I noticed as I was going through that I did not put any of these decorations that I put in the front here on the back. But Mama Christine said, well, this is winter. This is the start of the year. This is like when you're hoping everything starts to grow and bloom and come out of, you know, the winter season. And in the back, we're coming in after fall. So that's when things go dormant. So we don't have anything blooming right now. So, and there's the back of the book. Again, this is rice paper. And we've got this beautiful lace on here. I did put some of the things together here on my Facebook page. So if you're interested in seeing some of that, you can see how it was done. This whole thing was, the base was a medicine box and an envelope that I covered it with, a Tyvek envelope. And then I put rice paper over that. The closure under here is, there's an eyelet under there. And then this is raffia. And we put a little bead here because I didn't want the raffia to unravel or to tangle. So there is a little bead, and it is on both of the sides here. So there's two strands, one on the back and one on the front, and then it just ties, which I won't do that right now. But I do love how everything came together. I love the 4 signatures in different colors of ink. When you ink your pages, if you ink every single edge in each signature, you'll get this lovely, lovely look on the side here. I love how it's kind of a rainbow. So we've got winter, spring, summer, and fall, and I just love, love, love that. I did on the front put 4 Seasons of Fairies. And this is a chipboard fairy that I added, and she's got Nouveau here. And of course, I already showed you I glittered. The stickles color I used here was Waterfall, and it's absolutely lovely. I just love it. So anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this book and seeing the flip through. I know I have enjoyed making it, and it's being gifted to my sweet Mama Christine before I go home here from North Carolina. So thank you so much for watching. If you love this book, please let me know your favorite part of it in the comments. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, share the page out there with anybody who you think might enjoy seeing this book. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.